How to turn on background play of videos in Brave browser. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn on background play of videos in Brave browser. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Brave browser on your device. You can easily download the browser from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you have opened the browser, go ahead and open the YouTube video or any video that you want to play in background. Now, tap on the three dots you see on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the settings option. You will then be led to the settings page of Brave browser. In here, you will see the option for background play. So go ahead and toggle on the button for background play, and this is how you can turn on background play of videos in Brave browser. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.